Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I am done for the day. So happy. Come back home to see this beautiful, to see something that makes me happy. And a little bit of goodies. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Especially for me. Have fun and celebrate your favorite way, because it is your special day. How did they know it's my special day? Yeah, this I think when they sent it out, it was my special day. It arrived still in my special day season. Ooh, there is a little bag. Oh, just the perfect size. Oh, perfect size. Look at it. Oh, it's made for this, just for you. This bag is just for you. Okay. Look at it. So we open it up. See, qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez, sweetheart, especially for you. Oh my! Wow! How do they know that I have these spoon things? Wow! This is very much cha. Maybe this is too. I do not even know what to do with it. Cha. 活，生活来，生活品，生活茶品味。生活茶品味。Wow. Tip for brewing scented tea. If you feel this is, 如果您觉得一粒喝不完，可以使用茶具撬开，把茶叶分成小份，再去冲泡。可以多品尝，多尝试几次冲泡，来调整到合适您的口感。大概有9粒，每一粒有9克。哦哟，玫瑰花冠、茉莉花。This is a rose tea, jasmine tea, jasmine flower. There is no tea. Chrysanthemum and flower. Okay, so there are some way to teach me. So first put water and wash the teacup. I don't think I will make it too complicated, and I will just use that one. Rose, jasmine flower, chrysanthemum, 百花茶. Maybe we will try this blue one, okay? And there are more of these blues, so why not? and you use very hot water to make this tea. Look at it. So this is the flour. Now I will put in our mug. I will not make it too complicated. Just put into the mug and then boiling water. Okay, the water is boiling. I will pour it in. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that is quite a big flower, don't you think so? It smells flour. Wow. Isn't it fun? When brewing, please try to use the tea set with a filter such as a cover bowl, elegant cup, teapot, etc. Brew one tea ball at a time and wash the tea with boiling water. Moisten the tea after the first injection and pour out water in about 15 seconds. And this is, yeah. Do we pour it out? Kind of feeling. Anyway. This will be a big, huge pot of tea, I think. Yeah, I'm using 1 cup. It's just, it's a concentration of. Maybe I will filter it. Next time I will use a big glass pot for it. It's kind of a. Look at it. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Still too hot. Smells good. Wow, the flower, so pretty. Like it's like an aquarium. Buon appetito. Okay, so that is the method we drink it. We do not want it soaked in water for too long time. So I pour that into this filter and drain some of this liquid and drink this tea. And this one, a few hours later, or more than a few hours later, you want to drink it, you can still put in water. And some friends ask, how long can you drink the same tea? There is not really a fixed rule. Use our common sense, right? What water can be left for more than 10 hours, right? We do not drink it, except for some water bottle company, and they claim that the water keep hot, keep cold for 3 days. It's for scientific reason. It's not for really drinking, right? We drink water something like 2 hours, 3 hours, half a day. You can still drink it. Let's try this. I love this filter. So this tea is from HUAYING 手工龙珠花茶云南普洱市. Yeah, this is from Yunnan. 普洱茶. They not only make pu'er tea, they make all kinds of drinking herbs and flowers to make into tea. Yeah, it's very very elegant, very very soothing and smooth. I like it. This is good.